All right, guys, Jonathan here with Colorado Custom Covers and Deck, and this we got Eli here today with Innovative, who is doing the spiral staircase for us. He's just going to go over some benefits to the spiral staircase and maybe the positives that it brings to your deck instead of the traditional wood staircase.
Okay, so my name is Eli. The main benefit for a spiral staircase is pretty much going to be the footprint for the spiral staircase. It's going to decrease the size than your traditional regular staircase. Traditional staircase takes a 10-inch clear run rather than this. Different codes reduces the space it takes when you come in. This spiral staircase itself has a diamond plate tread with 1.5 by 1 tube handrail. Code says it to be 36 inch height, 4-inch center pipe. It's all powder coated before installation, so it'll last the weather a little bit longer. It prevents corrosion, and maintenance is pretty much maintenance free for at least 5 years. You probably have to do another coat. It starts fading within 5 years. But as far as reducing the space and getting the maximum for your space for your home, the spiral staircase would be the way to go. And there's a variety of different colors. You could do black, white, red, textured finish, semi-gloss. There's all kinds of different finishes. And as far as these guys got here, these guys did a integrated cable rail system, so it went really well with their cable system, and we were able to match the color that they did on their rail to our spiral staircase.
All right, well, thanks, Eli. We appreciate it. These guys that did a great job here on this build. It took them about a week and a half to do something like this.
It takes about 2 weeks fabrication time. Lead time right now is probably around 4 weeks. That's just scheduling maintenance. They've got a helical pier underneath where we set that in, so that has to be coordinated with the builder themselves. And the actual fabrication portion of it takes about 2 weeks, and it comes as already assembled in a finished product, ready to be installed.
Yeah, and it was, once they got here, they put it up. It took, what, maybe an hour and a half to
about
get
an
it
hour and a half
all on. So real quick, real simple. It looks great. It matches the railings, and these guys do a great job. I highly recommend it to putting it on your deck, putting a spiral staircase on there. Thanks a lot, Eli. We appreciate your work and everything you did.
Thank you.
And guys, thanks again for watching our Facebook page at Covers and Decks, and also our YouTube channel, The Deck Answers. Take care.